data. So I have already explained what are the applications of bivariate distribution, and now let's see how the problem one can solve the problem based on bivariate. Okay, so this was the example where we are talking about the age of husband and age of wife of 20 couples, and so we try to summary we will give the try to summary of the data. Okay, so for that purpose we need to draw a bivariate frequency table. So let's draw first bivariate frequency table. So we have so you can start it directly bivariate frequency table. So we have bivariate frequency, I can call distribution table. Okay, and we have here different shapes. Just moving this table. So here is we have x and y plotted, I can say. Then we have 18, 19, 20, 21, and finally we have a total. Okay, so these things are required. I can take total of this, even the total of main heading. Fine. So these things are required. So this is look like a bivariate. So here we have x data, and here we have a y. Okay. So this x representing that, if you say the x is representing age of husband. So this is my x data. This is my x data. Okay. So first number is always representing x data. Now one can write x this side also. One can write x this side also. Okay. So this x is like this. This y is like this. You just understand. Okay. So we have x 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Similarly, one can define for y also, age of y. So I think a starting from 18. So we have 18, we have 19, 20, 21, and finally we have a total. Similarly, we have the total here. Okay. So now, if you see the first data, your first data is 2418. 2418. So we have 24 and we have 18 marked as 1. Second is 2619. So 2619. So marked 1. Similarly 27 20, 27 20 marked as 1, and so on. So this is the way we have to do the tally mark. And once it is done, we have to write the frequency here. Okay, is that clear how to mark the frequency? Yes, students, can you hear me? Is that clear, everybody?
Yes,
Can you?
sir.
Yeah. So you
Yes,
can,
sir.
so you can start marking this. start marking the data and try to finish it within 2-3 minutes. So I will show you the next step of what we have to do. So I think third one is done. Next one is 2518. So 2518, then 2821. So you have to consider the pair 21 and 20, sorry, 28 and 21, and so on. Okay, so you just work out. I will tell you the now that particular figure. You can just work on whether it is right or wrong. So here is we have three frequency. Let me know whether you are right. This the number which I have written, if it is right or wrong. This is one. Please check that properly whether you are doing tally mark properly or not. For 20 we have 1, 1, 2, 2, 1. Here is we have 1, 1. This is dash, this is dash, this is dash. So here we have 1, here we have 3, here we have 1. Similarly 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1. So once you finish, just tell me so that we can proceed. So take 2 minutes and finish this table. I hope everyone can hear me. So if any queries there, let me know.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
25742.
5.
742.
So this is total is, I think, let me write another pen.
Total
This is
7,
2,
14, 14 to 16, 20, sir.
sorry, this is 2, this is
5,
5, this is 7,
7,
this is 4, this is 2. Similarly, this one you can write 5, 6, 6, 2, sorry, 3. So total will be 6, 6, 12, 12 and 8, 20. Let me know whether you can understand or not, because this 2 will be addition of these numbers. 1 plus 1, 2. 3, 1, 1, 5. 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, 1. So total becomes 7. Sorry, 6 or 7. Let's check it.
सर 26,9 में
The one
20
three,
Yeah,
the one
हाँ
three to one है.
right. This is 1, 3. Yes, बेटा बोलिए क्या बोल रहे थे? Yes, somebody was talking. क्या था? Is that matching? Everybody answers.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good, good.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, let us
सर
proceed. Yes, बेटे बोले.
सर सर ये जो नंबर लिखा है 1 2 3 वगैरह वो कंपलसरी है क्या?
ये नंबर
यस सर.
कंपलसरी इन द सेंस कि फिर मिस्टेक्स होने के चांसेस कम रहेंगे आपको. लिखेंगे तो बेटर है, नहीं लिखेंगे तो कंपलसरी नहीं बोल सकता हूँ मैं इसको, बिकॉज इट इज जस्ट फॉर अंडरस्टैंडिंग कि इसका मतलब 3 होता है. मतलब इट्स बिकम इजी टू इवेल्युएट वेदर व्हाई इट इज कमिंग 5. तो जनरली हम लोग क्या करते हैं, हम लोग ऊपर वाले प्रॉब्लम में देखोगे तो हम लोग पहले टैली मार्क करते हैं और फिर फ्रीक्वेंसी निकालते हैं ना, साइड में लिखते हैं फ्रीक्वेंसी. वैसे ही हम
यस
लोग टैली मार्क करके फ्रीक्वेंसी लिख के फिर टोटल फ्रीक्वेंसी निकालें. बट I think it's better you can go in this way, because most of references book follow this method. And even if you're not right, that's okay. I can understand this meaning is very simple. Okay. Let us proceed. So this is the first question I think I have completed. Prepare a bivariate frequency table for this data and also obtain a marginal frequency of distribution for age of husband and age of wife. Okay. So first question mein we need to obtain marginal frequency. That is called as marginal frequency distribution of, or you can say for x. You know what is x? X representing age of husband. So we have age of husband, which is x. So what are the value of x takes here? And we have frequency. We have frequency. I will say this is f. Let me prepare a table for this also. So I'm going to take till here so that the table size and everything will be the same. ये प्रॉब्लम करो. ठीक है, you can just manage that. So we have here, what are the age? We have 24, 25, 26, 27 and 28. अच्छा एक कॉलम और बना लो यहाँ पे टोटल का. टोटल so you can make the column. The last column will be the total. Okay. So what are the frequencies for 24? 24 frequency is 2. So we have a 2, then 5, 7, 4, 2 become 2. This is called as marginal frequency distribution for x. And what is your x? X is the age of husband. Can you write for marginal distribution of y similarly like this? Yes,
Sir, your voice is cracking.
this is correct.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, even I'm getting the same. Yes, now it is audible. Yes, it is audible now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
yes.
sir.
So similarly, one can define for marginal distribution of y. Okay, so you can just draw for y also similarly like that. So we have instead of x now we have y. So we have y, we have 18, 19, 20 like that. Right. And similarly one can write for frequencies also. So this is, I will just click on graph and one can take down the frequency for y. Even age of wife. Oh, sure.